Right pronunciation for this word is croissant. Example, I would like a croissant, please. The right pronunciation for this word is zucchini. Example, I like to eat zucchini. The right pronunciation for this word is broccoli. Example, broccoli is a green leafy vegetable. How many of you love to drink mojito during the summer season? Yes, you heard it right. It's not mojito, it's mojito. Example, my favorite drink is mojito. How many of you like to have healthy breakfast in the morning? Yes, you heard it right. The correct pronunciation is breakfast. Example, I like to have healthy breakfast. All of us visit a restaurant, but few of us know the correct pronunciation of this word. So, today I'll tell you the correct pronunciation of this word. The right pronunciation is restaurant. Yes, you heard it right. It is restaurant. Example, she decided to open her own restaurant. Pronunciation for this word is jewelry. Example, I love to wear gold jewelry. Pronunciation for this word is pizza. Example, let's have pizza today. Pronunciation for this word is vegetable, not vegetable. Example, vegetables are a healthy and delicious part of a balanced diet. The right pronunciation for this word is onion, not onion. Example, I love onion soup. Right pronunciation for this word is resume, not resume. Example, if you would like to be considered for the job, please submit your resume. Right pronunciation for this word is ghost, not ghost. Example, I think ghosts are not real. The correct pronunciation for this word is bowl, not bowl. Example, my mom made a bowl of soup. The right pronunciation for this word is asthma, not asthma. Example, I carry an inhaler because I have asthma. The right pronunciation for this word is luxury. Example, a new car is a luxury we can't afford.